This is a brand new river. It's Monday, October 22nd, and I am in Vega de la Torre. There's a large lagoon here. You can see it on the map. And it comes very close to the ocean, but it doesn't actually drain into the ocean. Except for today. We had a lot of rain yesterday, and the water is very high, and it almost is breaching the sandbar that separates it from the lagoon from the ocean. And so some locals are giving it a hand, and this is the first time I've actually seen the lagoon and the ocean physically connected. So you can see the tractor here is dredging away the sand, and the current is making a small river here. A lot of people are here checking it out. If they can get enough flow going, it might be self-sustaining, that the current will continue to wash the sand out of the channel and it'll continue to drain. I guess I'll head back to my bike and get going.
Les canto con amor a mi tierra tropical. Qué bonito es Veracruz, nunca lo podré olvidar.
It's totally flooded. Back this way is the road. That's normally asphalt.
Yo les canto con amor a mi tierra tropical. Qué bonito es Veracruz, nunca lo podré olvidar.
So 48 hours later, I don't know if you'll recall, but this place behind me was had about a foot of water surrounding it. And where I'm standing now, I was also walking in about 8 inches of water. So what a difference 2 days make. I'll show you here the little river channel that they carved out obviously grew with the force of the water and turned into this giant river. So you can see just thousands of gallons a minute escaping now from the lagoon into the sea. And I guess this will continue until it reaches whatever level it wants to reach. The thing is the ocean then will rebuild that sandbar, and eventually this lagoon will rise again. So, thanks for watching the update, and we'll see you in the next one.
Música veracruzana te llevo en el corazón. Yo les canto con amor a mi tierra tropical. Qué bonito es Veracruz, nunca lo podré olvidar. Yo les canto con